A very good morning to each one of you. I hope everyone is having a fantastic time at the Maritime CEO conference. Absolutely. So myself is Manisha Thakur, Vice President at the Trialliance Global Logistics Solutions. And it's my delight to be the host for the today's quiz contest that we are going to have on the screen right now. So this quiz is all about the knowledge of maritime that we are going to celebrate, the leadership of maritime, but nevertheless, this is just a quiz and it's an adventure, it's not an exam, right? So definitely we request your active participation, and please don't forget to have fun while you're attending this quiz. So it's going to be very simple. There are going to be 24 questions, and each question will have 4 multiple choice answers. The faster you answer, the bigger you get the marks for all the questions. So it's going to be like the fastest finger first. If you get the first one wrong, nevertheless, don't get demotivated. There's always a second chance. And Maritime CEO is going to look for the champion of this quiz today. So are you all excited? Absolutely. So yes, here you can see the world's largest cruise ship is in the 2025. This could be your question, and all you need is just your phone to answer. The multiple choice question is already on your phone. So has everyone got it? Has everyone got it with your phones? Did you all scan the QR codes? And are you all ready, right? So here comes your question number 2. Answer quickly to get more points. I hope you all are enjoying the first question. And here comes the second one. Which ship famously rescued survivors of the Titanic? The smarter minds and the faster fingers. Absolutely, and your time is up. Here you can see the answer. You can see. Absolutely, we are very delighted to see the smiling faces over here. Please continue the energy. Please continue your enthusiasm. Question number 3. Please be alert. We are celebrating the leadership in maritime. Which vessel was the first nuclear-powered merchant ship? We have sailors, we have crew members, we have the future captains over here, and I'm sure this quiz is going to be very easy to answer. Absolutely. the leaderboard says, the right answer. So the next question coming on to your screen, question number 4. Please watch out your phones. It's as simple as we are playing Kaun Banega Karodpati. So the world's busiest post by container volume is. Look at the options and the fastest finger first. Yes, absolutely, that's Shanghai. So I hope you all are enjoying this. Yes, coming to our 5th question. We are very delighted to see you all with smiling faces. The Strait of Malacca connects the 4 options. Absolutely. Some confident faces are here, and some are already Googling their eyes to get the right answer. Yes, those who have given the right answers, I can see the smiling faces. Very good. So keep it up. The energy in the room is excellent. Moving on to our next question, very easy. The Suez Canal is located in which country? And I'm sure this is going to be answered by everyone, but this is going to be a fastest finger first. Speed helps. Accuracy, of course, it matters a lot in this quiz. Egypt, yes, the answer. So yes, very good. Keep it up. So let's see the changes that happens on the leaderboard. And our next question, the Cape of Good Hope is located in the southern tip of. Absolutely. Quick fingers and sharp minds are here. The fastest finger first. The Cape of Good Hope. Yes, so very good. I'm very happy to see the yay, the gesture from everyone. Question number 8. I appreciate your patience. We have 24 questions. So yes, those who are lagging behind may start bucking up and try to be the winner of the Maritime CEO conference this morning. The Bay of Biscay lies off the coast of. So I'm sure everyone will be able to answer this question. And here comes the one. Many of you don't even have to think, and your finger goes there fast on the option. Yes, so the right answer is already in front of you. So everyone is ready for the next one. Question number 10. No problem. Those who are not able to answer have still time to come up. Which strait separates Europe from Asia in Turkey? So this is going to be an easy one. And yes, the future captains and the crew members, yes, that's the answer is there in front of you on the leaderboard. Coming up, are you all ready for the next one? Question number 11. The Kiel Canal is located in which country? Fastest finger first. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. This is about learning and celebrating maritime brilliance. Not just speed, but speed counts. Absolutely. The answer will be there in front of you. So yes, very good for those who have attended this quiz answer. So moving on to the 12th question. 50% of your exam is over. Now we are on the 12th question. The largest species of shark is? I'm sure this is one of the best exams in your life which you have ever attended, that you have the answers in front of your screen, right? And we wish this kind of exams would be there in your college. Absolutely. So that's fantastic. Moving on to question number 13. Coral reefs are formed by? Absolutely, this is maybe people would like to think about it, but yes, you can guess, but the fastest finger first. But one thing is good, that here there is no negative marking. Yes, 54. Moving on to the 14th question. So in one way, we are all blessed that the format of this quiz is no negative marking for the wrong answer. Question number 15. Look it on the screen and answer from your phones. Very easy. Bioluminescence in deep sea creatures is mainly used for? Little bit of brainstorming, little bit of thinking, and putting your finger immediately on the option. You never know, you may take home the champion trophy of the quiz. Absolutely. So this is really a great, and here we celebrate the maritime leadership. Coming to our next question, I'm sure all of you are ready. What adoption allows penguins to survive in cold waters? This is really an amazing question, and those who are already sailing may be knowing about these answers in the cold waters, in chill waters. Absolutely amazing. Most of them have given the correct answer of this. So now we have the question number 17. Little bit of more patience and we will have our maritime champion. So which sea creature has 3 hearts? Which sea creature has 3 hearts? Absolutely. Here you can see the options in front of your screen, and this is an amazing way to learn, to adopt new things. 67% have replied the correct answer. So that's really an incredible answers, and good to see everyone is enjoying, everyone is having fun. The next question, krill are important in marine ecosystems because they are. The question's there. So let's take a deep breath and get our fastest finger, and yes, there is the answer. So this is the beauty of technology. So now we can see how technology has brought us all close together on one screen. So many people are playing this quiz. Which marine reptile migrates thousands of miles to lay eggs? Come on, go back to your school days. Go back to your general knowledge. Definitely you will have the fastest finger and you're going to have the correct answer. That's amazing. 66% of the people have given the right answer. So now we are just 4 questions away. Please buckle up your shoes, minds alert, and your fingers should be on your screen. Which instrument is used to measure a ship's speed through water? The captains, I'm sure you have faced the rough weather, the smooth waters, and definitely you may know all these answers because maritime is all about sea. Maritime is all, that's, 40 of them have replied it correctly. 21 question. We are just 3 questions away from our champion of the Maritime SheO quiz. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, just 3 questions away. Be alert. The sextant measures. The options are there on your screen. Look at your phones and fastest finger first. That's amazing, and that's wonderful that 50 of them have given the right answers. But nevertheless, question number 22. Now we are just 2 questions away. GPS relies on the 4, you can see the options. GPS relies on. And I'm sure today we are nothing without GPS. We are all equipped everywhere. Without GPS, we can't go anywhere. We can't move out. Absolutely, this is a wonderful answer, and 80 of them have really replied the correct one. Question number 23. Come on, now just 2 questions away, and definitely we will have been sailing through this quiz. The gyro compass points to. The options are there in front of your screen, and I'm sure we are going to have a new winner this morning. Absolutely, and the winner is going to get a nice gift hamper from the Maritime SheO. So the last question, take a deep breath, channel your inner captain, and let's finish this strong. We started strong. Let us finish this strong. A chronometer was historically essential for. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's find out who will take home the title of the Maritime CEO Quiz Champion 2025. Let's give a big round of applause, and definitely let's have the leaderboard. The leaderboard, no results, absolutely. Here we can see the leaderboard is changing. The leaderboard is changing. The points are changing. Paul J, Mr. Paul J, many congratulations. Let's give a big round of applause to our Maritime CEO Quiz Champion 2025. Your knowledge and quick thinking has steered you straight into the victory. You have sailed through the storms of questions. You have anchored in confidence, and you have reached at the port of success. May I kindly request Mr. Paul J to please come up on the stage, and may I request Sanjam to please come on the stage to get the gift hamper and to welcome our Maritime CEO champion. And that's really amazing. Congratulations, and you have earned the stripes of today. I would like to call a big round of huge applause for the captain, because this task was not easy. A big thank you to everyone who participated. Your enthusiasm, your laughter, and your energy made this quiz truly special. So remember, whether you won or not, today we all celebrate the spirit of maritime leadership, learning, and sisterhood that defines the CEO community. So congratulations, and thank you, Sanjam. Yeah, please have 2 lines.
Thank you very much. It was great fun to play that quiz. I do feel remiss in being of the wrong gender. I would like to contribute this, donate it to the first female who came in the list. Can we work out who that was? First female student, that's a good choice. Yes, the first female student who came up in this. Do we know, can we figure out who that is? Even though I know someone said earlier, it's not about being a man or a woman, it's about what you have in you, but I think it's more appropriate.
Okay.